haven't seen this before. It's something amazing.
What's up, everybody? We're here today and we're going to do our last waterfall build of 2019. It is not the greatest weather for it necessarily. We've got snow on the ground, but at least we were able to get everything tarped ahead of time, and we at least have a halfway decent working space to perform our magic in. So guys are getting everything unloaded right now. We've got that little space for access, so a little bit tighter than our normal setup, but we'll make it work. So right over here we have a waterfall that we're gonna actually be tearing this waterfall out and reusing the pondless waterfall basin underneath it. We're gonna be making some modifications to it just to kind of spruce it up and make it blend a little bit better with what we're gonna be doing. And then we are going to be building up over here in the background. We're gonna be putting some boulders kind of near the fence, some larger rocks, and then we'll be bringing in some topsoil and some other dirt to go ahead and build up this whole area to create a nice little mound to make our waterfall come out of. So it's going to be a little more of a subtle setup, not your big grand waterfall, but it should be awesome. All right, so I just want to show you guys something here real quick. We like to lay out our plumbing ahead of time. It saves you a lot of time on the back end, going back and retrenching for your line to go ahead and hook up all your plumbing once your waterfall's all done, which we've done probably like 50 times at least. So you live and you learn. This way, as we do our excavation and add our topsoil to create our berm, the pipe is already in place and we just bury over the top of it now. This is our excavation area for the footprint of our seating area. We wanted to do a crushed limestone base underneath here, so we excavated out 7 inches of depth to give us enough base to compact and have a solid footing to lay our pavers on top of. Getting ready to head out for the day. You can see the progress we made here. We have a little bit of our berm constructed here. We have the plumbing in and some of our outcropping rocks to retain the backside of the dirt to keep it from going into the fence. Tomorrow we will go ahead and get to constructing the waterfall. The guys are going to finish up here for the day. They are going to take apart this basin and get the top all deconstructed to where tomorrow we can come in and work our magic and make this waterfall flow. All right, what's up, everybody? We're back here, and I forgot to get out the camera this morning and show you guys what was going on. So we've got our base in for our sitting area over here. We're getting the final compaction going on it, and we're getting ready to lay out some block. And we've got Jordan over here working on the waterfall. So we're creating a little pooling area here off this spillway that Jordan's currently working on, because she wants to have an area where the birds can come down and splash around. She has bird feeders. So she does like to enjoy the wildlife and everything out here. So give a little bit of an area where the water isn't too turbulent, and that way that she can get the enjoyment that she's looking for. David, say something pretty for the camera.
This is gonna be great.
All right, so I just wanted to give you a little update here. We're pretty much all finished up with the seating area, or sitting area. We're just letting the edging all cure up overnight. We'll be back to do some polymeric and finish work on that tomorrow. It's not a patio. We don't do patios. But anyway, you can see the edges came out pretty good. I really like the irregularity of it. Jordan did most of the waterfall work today. Came out pretty well, so we're making progress on the waterfall over here. We'll be back to work and finish it all up tomorrow. We need a few more rocks to put in place, some dirt to bring in and kind of disguise some of the edges around, but we'll see you tomorrow, which will be like right now. All right, what's up, everybody? We're back, and it is a little bit colder here today, and to tell you the truth, I just really want to get to working and get to moving right now so we can get some of this stuff done and I can stop being so cold. So we're gonna get the waterfall all wrapped up here today. We have a few more rocks to set, gravel to do, foaming, some of the finishing touches that make the waterfall look a little more complete, and then get that puppy all turned on. Over here we have the patio that we have to get finished up. We have a little bit of polymeric sand that we need to do and some finishing work around the edges, but so far it's looking pretty good. So we'll get that all wrapped up and get cleaned up and hopefully get out of here later on today. Finishing up here right now. We're just waiting for some foam to dry in the waterfall. So in the meantime, we're taking care of getting everything else cleaned up so we can just roll on out of here whenever we are totally finished and get this waterfall turned on here. So come check out what David's got going here. All right, we're all finished up. The waterfall's running, and I'm actually gonna come back here tomorrow with another pump. We wanted to try out the original pump that the homeowner had, and we just got the okay from her to go ahead and upgrade to a little bit bigger pump just because, well, it'll look better. It'll create better flow. It'll have a little more movement, a little more sound, and in my opinion, it'll just look a lot better. So we're gonna get this all wrapped up tomorrow, and I will show you the finished product then. What's up? And we're back. Waterfall's done. New pump's in. Come check it out.